So I wanted to break in just with a little news that's rattling around everywhere today, which is the unprecedented leak of a draft decision by the Supreme Court about abortion. This is something uh, Politico published yesterday, and I'm sure you have thoughts about it.
I do, and I think it is not completely unrelated to some of the issues we're having on the press front, because right now we have a court that is more conservative than anything we've seen in over a century, and basically they are reversing, it appears, it's a leaked document, we don't know what the final opinion will be, 50 years of precedent, where two of the justices, even in the last decade themselves, have said that it was the law of the land, to quote one, or that another said that it had been affirmed over and over again. And so, what this will mean, the implications, Dana, is that we will have abortion will be considered banned and not allowed in many, many states. Over a dozen of them have triggers that would basically create that situation. We would have over 20 states that would ban it. We would have a patchwork of laws. We would have women driving in cars or buses to get to reproductive care. And yet 80%, by one poll, 80% of Americans don't believe that we should do this. So this is going to be resolved first. We'll attempt in the Congress. We'll do everything we can to see where the votes are to be able to codify Roe v. Wade into law. There will be battles in each state, and then we will head into the election. And in the end, Dana, I firmly believe that a women's choice is going to be on the ballot. Also, birth control is going to be on the ballot because the first line of this opinion, this leaked opinion, says abortion, the word abortion is not in the Constitution. Well, guess what? Gay marriage isn't in the Constitution. Birth control isn't in the Constitution. All of these rights that people consider their fundamental rights in the modern days have flowed from interpretations of the Constitution, which are completely justified in the modern day. And they're basically going back to a Neanderthal time in how they are interpreting the Constitution. So who knows what's next?